Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching a Crypto Hamster channel, and today we'll talk about the cryptocurrencies and what a beginner needs to know about them. Let's start from the main thing, the definition of the cryptocurrency. Well, in the previous video I already mentioned it briefly. Um, it is a digital asset serving the maintenance of the blockchain, and the emission of the cryptocurrency coins performed through the mining, the process of adding new blocks to the blockchain, and everybody can do this if you do it properly. You may have a lot of gains. The indirect application, I would call it indirect application, it is in the investment and trading of those coins. They trade in specialized exchanges and stored in digital wallets. And these investment trading are rather profitable, especially for the, for not that highly big investor, right? Because the market capitalization not that big, but still, if you, let's say, put certain investment, you can get 100% gains a year easily, or even 100,000 gains a year, percent gains a year. So very profitable. The market is new. It is sometimes called Wild West crypto, and that's why it is actually a high risk, high reward market, and the volatility of the market is rather, although the price in the market is rather high. But to my opinion, it's actually good for the trading because you may have bigger profits without using the marginal trading. Then another important thing, that the price of the coin, certain coin, well, a lot of, most, maybe all of the coins are, those prices are not, they don't depend on the fundamentals, basically. At least don't depend on fundamentals too much, and they just depend on the supply and demand. So how much, how the speculation goes around them. If you want to know the information about a certain cryptocurrency, you may go to one of the most famous website, cryptomarketcap.com, and here is the list of the coins with the biggest capitalization, like 1500 coins, and some additional information like total market capitalization, Bitcoin dominances, like the portion of the Bitcoin from the whole market, and of course the list of coins. So we'll click on one of the coins. I clicked here on Cardano, and you can see more information. So the name, Cardano, ticker ADA here. Oh, ticker is like the same as USD for dollar, right? Some more information like website. You can click on all of that, and you will forward it to the website, for example, right? The rank of the coin by the capitalization, the current market capitalization of the coin, and also price of one coin, and total supply, circulating supply. So total supply is the maximum number of coins that can be emitted. Circulating supply is the number of coins that is emitted now, right? So far, and it is important to mention here that the market capitalization of the coin is nothing more than just the coin price, the single coin price, multiplied by circulating supply. So it doesn't reflect actually the value of the whole project or something, money in the project, whatever. Trading volume for the 24 hours, less 24 hours, also here, and of course the chart, the price evolution over the time in United States dollars and Bitcoins, and the capitalization over the time. So and volume also. So some additional information, you can find the markets where the this coin is traded. Again, you can click on them and you'll forward it to the websites. The social tab is some information from the community of the project, and this is the thing which I would like to mention a little bit deeper. So the community is very important for the cryptocurrency project, because bigger community makes the project stronger, and like many people, they can help each other, they share information, and so on and so forth. And there are many resources helping people to be together to make community. Some of them are very well known, like Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, these sort of platforms. But I would like just to mention a few of them, few more. Let's start from Reddit. Reddit is a general forum, but you may actually find a lot of data about the cryptocurrencies here. And often the thread is initiated by the cryptocurrency project developers. So those developers, they maintain the project, the thread. They post some news, some announcements about the wallets, exchanges, and so on. And of course, you can make a comment. People post their comments, and they upvote it, downvote it, so you can use it as sort of a indicator of the community opinion about the project, right? Second thing I would like to mention, GitHub. This is very important because it contains a lot of projects codes. So if the developers have a code, obviously they should, blockchain code or whatever they use for their cryptocurrency. So they put their code in, they can put their code in GitHub, and this is open source platform, so you can read it and see whether the code is reasonable or whether it has a lot of errors or it's written in a professional way. So if you're a programmer, you can directly judge whether this project is good or not from the code. If you're not a programmer, you can rely on the opinion of the programmers around you. Third one is Steemit. Steemit is the forum where anyone again can post their opinion, their let's say review of the coin or something like that, some news or something. And it's interesting because it's basically built around the cryptocurrency Steem, which is used for paying rewards for those who make posts and so on. And again, you can read a lot of news about cryptocurrency in this forum. Also, there's a Bitcoin talk, which is very general forum, and you can find again a lot of information there. So what I want to say here is from the point of view of an investor, the cryptocurrencies are rather similar to the standard financial instruments in principle, in many aspects at least. And you don't need to be a programmer, or you don't need to be a trader or have financial education or something just to be profitable in this area. So there are a lot of information out there, so please check those resources, be interested, I hope, learn new things, and if you would like to invest, please be critical. First, compare many opinions, look at different resources. That's it for today. I hope you had fun watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and push the notification bell. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Maybe you find some mistake I said, but please remember, I just try to put in every simple words, maybe for those of you who are not experienced in the area. Still, if I made a mistake, feel free to correct me. Let's make a society around here. So hope that you will join me next video, and so far, goodbye, see you.